The INNOCN 49-inch Super Ultrawide monitor aims to transform your desktop into a panoramic workspace. It is built for immersion, whether you are racing in a simulator or juggling multiple windows for work. Check the link in the description for the best price. We looked at how this massive display performs across common work and play scenarios. The vast horizontal real estate is excellent for running multiple windows side by side, making it a dream for those who juggle. With a high refresh rate, gameplay remains consistently fluid, which is a major advantage for fast-paced titles and provides while colors are vibrant and punchy, the lower vertical resolution prevents the image from looking as crisp as one might. It effectively serves as a seamless replacement for a dual monitor setup, eliminating the center bezel and providing a unified canvas. This display shines for productivity and gaming immersion, though the lower vertical resolution means it is. Determining how the price reflects the value provided to the buyer. Including convenient features like USB-C connectivity and a high refresh rate makes the overall package feel well-equipped for the price. The brand is less established than industry giants, which is a consideration for buyers looking for long-term proven reliability, and compared to premium alternatives from major manufacturers, the cost savings here are significant, making this an accessible entry into This monitor offers impressive utility for the price, providing a solid alternative to expensive big-name brands. Understanding the limitations and risks before making the purchase. The build quality is generally sufficient for the price, though it lacks the premium feel found in significantly more expensive. Navigating support and warranty claims can be more variable, as the manufacturer's local infrastructure is less extensive than that of. It plays nicely with most modern PC and console setups, and the inclusion of multiple input options makes integration into. Buyers should be mindful of the significant desk footprint required and the resolution compromise, as this. If you prioritize a massive, continuous workspace and immersion, this monitor delivers exactly that. It is a fantastic choice for sim racing and power users who need to spread out their workflow. Just be aware that you are trading off some image sharpness compared to higher resolution panels.